pepper flake if you like the hot sausage, garlic and onion. Delicious. My husband loves pork sausage, so I'm going to start with nicely 1.5 to 2 pounds, guys. Guys, everybody goes to you only make 1 pound for 2 people.
Can you say daddy?
And
Daddy. Can you say daddy? Can you say daddy?
Right up to me, I've got a little bit of EVOO in a really big skillet here. You want to get a nice caramelization on your meat. You can break it up little bit by little bit with a wooden utensil, or this is what I've been doing lately, kids. Potato masher. Oh yeah. Quick, easy. Split that meat around like nobody's business, baby. So once you get it all in there in an even layer, let it set for a few minutes and get the color going on. As it starts to cook and crumble up, then you're going to start grating in your garlic.
Can you say daddy? Dad?
This is much leaner and tastes just like sausage, only you control the amount of flavor. So this is a really fun way to take control over your sausage. And then for the peppers and onions.
Can you say dad?
These guys. These
Dad?
are Italian peppers.
Dad?
Peppers. And they have a really lovely mustard.
Taylor?
You can also switch it up and you
Taylor?
just want a nice mild pepper going on. And a big softball